Veronica.
Excuse me! You're not a heaven to this Splaat! F***ing red traders! Get the f*** out!
But Cussing Splaat, it's my logo! I am so tired and sleepy right now. Just let me do the logo right now! And if you dare to fire me, then I'll activate my loudest snore ever by using a CapCut logic.
No!
Okay, that's it. That's enough. I'm going to use my loudest snore by using a CapCut logic, so you will be blown away. CapCut logic, activate my loud snore. There, my loud snore has activated. Now I'm going to sleep. There, much better. Now let's get on to my logo. Veronica_AP.